If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.
Listen to our first graders describe what friendship means to them.
Hi girls, we're talking about friendship. I'm wondering if you could tell me, what do you think friendship is? Cadence?
Okay, it's like you have to do something nice. You have to do something nice and share, and you could like, and it's like people holding hands around the earth, and it's just like blooming flowers.
How about you, Elora?
I think friendship is being honest to someone and not lying. And I think friendship is very, very cool. And friendship is where you hug someone like this.
Oh. Hi, Jaden. What does friendship mean to you?
Beautiful and kind.
Can you tell me about a time when a friend was helpful or kind with you?
This little girl, Kalia, she's my friend in my class, and she got mad because we were playing a dinosaur bingo game, and I had like all of the things. I only needed to get one more dinosaur, and I took her card and I gave her mine.
Was she happy?
Yeah.
Boys, we've been learning a lot about friendship. What does friendship mean to you?
Sharing. Be nice. That being funny.
Hi, boys. We're talking about friendship. Is there any advice you could give to people about friendship?
Yes. Yes.
Go ahead, tell me.
Being nice, being helpful, and friendship is when someone's in the rain and you got a blanket for only you, and you said, how about I share with him, and you just go and you just put the blanket over him.
Girls,
Hi.
I was
Hi.
wondering if you could tell the students of School 18 what they could do to be a good friend.
Stands up for you. Make you feel good.
Hi, girls. If you could give advice to the students of School 18 about friendship, what would you tell them?
I tell them to be really nice, and if they got hurt, I'd help them.
That's nice. Gabby, how about you?
Be a good friend. Don't let someone down, and help them.
Hi, boys. Today we're talking about friendship. Could you tell us a way that you could be a good friend?
Helping.
How about you, Danny?
Being kind.
Nice. Thank you.